Today I'm going to go over back pain and how a hip issue could be contributing to some of that low back pain you might be dealing with. A lot of times we see people that have come in and they're complaining of back pain, but when we start to go through the evaluation with them, we notice that it's actually coming more from here, and we'd find that by doing a couple tests. One, we just bring this leg over, which is called the Patrick Faber test, and you push down on that knee. And if that causes pain there or up into the low back, it's a good indication that maybe the pain's coming here in the hip. We also want to bring the knee up and kind of rotate that around in both ways, in and out, and see, because a lot of times people might have pain as we do that. And so if those things contribute to some of the pain that they're dealing with, then we also want to address the hip and make sure the hip is functioning correctly, so that way the back can start to function correctly. So we'll either adjust the hip, or we'll take and test some of the muscles of the hip, like bringing the leg out, holding that out, pulling that in, which will test the glute medius. I'm going to have her roll over and show you a test for the glute maximus. I'm just going to come here, lift this leg up, hold that up, and then push down. And that also ties in there. And we want to make sure that both those muscles are working well and functioning the way they should. So strengthening the hip or getting the hip to move better can help relieve some of the pressure, some of the pain here in the low back, if you're not getting the relief you want from doing other things for low back pain. So doing some exercises with bands around your feet and walking side to side or front to back, trying to get those glutes engaged will help strengthen those glutes. Doing some squats or lunges to help also just get all those muscles moving. And of course, always trying to strengthen just the whole body overall. Doing core type exercises is a great way just to get the body moving and stronger.